Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change app recommendation settings in Windows 11. When installing Discord, Steam, or any other non-Microsoft verified apps, you may encounter this issue in Windows 11, and the problem might be like this. The app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app, and Microsoft is forcing you to download the apps from store. The reason behind this is that Windows 11 aims to enhance the user experience by suggesting downloads from the Microsoft Store, but this may not be beneficial for everyone. Therefore, we will change the settings to allow us to install applications from other sources. To change app recommendation settings in Windows 11, first go to Search and type Settings. Click on Settings from the list. After that, click on Apps. Then, click on Advanced App Settings under Choose to get apps. Here, you will get 4 options. Number 1 is Anywhere. Second is Anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. Number 3, Anywhere but warn me before installing an app that is not from Microsoft Store. And last is the Microsoft Store only recommended. Initially, 4th option is selected by default called Microsoft Store only recommended. This is most secure option, but it is limiting your choices, so you just select the first option Anywhere. This option allows you to install apps from any source, including the internet. Now, installing apps is under your control. Now, come back and try to install the third-party apps. In my case, it is Discord, as all installation software is under your control. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.